Welcome to YT Growth Lab. At this video, I am going to be directing you on what to do before posting a YouTube video, how to post a YouTube video, and the best time to post a YouTube video. But, by the way, if this is your first time at this channel, you are most welcome. We teach tips, tricks, and strategy on how to grow on YouTube. So subscribe now and turn off notification, so anytime we upload you get notified. Now, let's dive in. The first thing you are supposed to do before posting, whether you are a young creator or not, is to update your YouTube mobile app. Because updating before posting ensures access to the latest features, bug fixes, and compatibility improvements that enhance video. The second thing is to go to your YouTube and click on the plus icon. Click on Add and select the video you want to upload. After selecting the video, click Done. Make sure you add threading sound in Other to boost your video views. After you added threading sound, click the blue arrow. Ensure you add filter and select the first one, cause the first one will bring studio effect, and that causes more engagement. Ensure you select eye caching thumbnail. On the Add Pay promotion, click on No if your video does not want payment. Add a title, but don't put hashtags because YouTube no longer recommend video with too much hashtags. Add your location. Then click on Upload. Go back to your video setting. Add a description related to the video. Then here you can now add some hashtags that is related to your video. Also add like 3 hashtags here. Then now you can make your video public. And click on Save. Here comes the final question. Most people do wonder the right time to post. Posting between 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock p.m. on YouTube is one of the smartest moves you can make, and here's a clear, compelling reason why. This is when people are taking lunch, stepping away from work, or checking out mentally from school. They're not just casually browsing, they're actively looking for something to watch. Posting at noon gives YouTube's algorithm a solid runway to test your content. It has time to gather early engagement, which is crucial for being recommended during the high traffic evening hours. And also noon is when your audience is hunting for something to watch, right in their daily free moment, making it the perfect time to grab their attention. If you post consistently around 12:01 p.m., your audience begins to expect it. It trains the algorithm and your viewers, creating a habit loop that builds momentum. If you have any question, comment me.